Okay, in this video we will solve this problem right here, and in the description box of this video there are two playlists. One playlist has categorized limit problems and the other playlist has random uncategorized problems. And so let's begin. Now the problem with this particular problem is it says x approaches 0. If I put a 0 right here, I get 1 divided by 0, and that's a red flag. So we have to approach this problem differently. And so what I'm going to do is rewrite our problem. I'm going to say we have y is equal to parentheses 1 plus 5x raised to 1 over x. For right now, I'm ignoring this limit. I'm just focusing on this piece right here. Now I'm going to try to incorporate logs. So I'm going to put the natural log of both sides. So I have ln y is equal to ln parentheses 1 plus 5x raised to 1 over x. From here, I'm going to use the power property of logs, so I can rewrite it as ln y is equal to 1 over x ln parentheses 1 plus 5x. The whole point of using this whole logs is I want to move this over to the front, and I can do that using log properties. And now let's rewrite our problem. We have the limit as x approaches 0 for ln y, and the limit as x approaches 0 for this piece right here. And we have ln parentheses 1 plus 5x divided by x. At this point, let's try to plug in 0. 5 times 0 is 0. We have ln 1. ln 1 is equal to 0. Likewise, we have a 0 here. Because we have 0 divided by 0, we can use L'Hopital's rule. And by doing that, we're going to take the derivative of this piece and the derivative of this piece right here. And so we're going to get 1 divided by 1 plus 5x times the derivative of 5x, we're using the chain rule, divided by derivative of x would give us a 1. And so this right here is equal to 5 divided by 1 plus 5x. Now let's go back and let's write this limit again. So we have the limit as x approaches 0 for this piece right here, 5 divided by 1 plus 5x, and see what do we get. Now if I plug in a 0 here, I get 0, but I have 5 divided by 1, which is 5. Now this is very important. Our answer isn't 5 because we have the limit as x approaches 0 for ln y. So let's rewrite this a bit. We have the limit as x approaches 0 for ln y, which is equal to 5. Now we want to get y by itself, and we can get rid of this ln if you put an e right below the l, and you put an e right here on both sides. And so finally our answer would be e raised to 5, and that's all we need to do for this problem.